just after 6 a.m. Packing up, and I'm headed to Phoenix to pick up a 1969 Volkswagen camper van for a Grateful Dead / Chinatown market collaboration. Let the adventure begin. All loaded up and ready to head back to Albuquerque so we can put the magic to it. I just want to thank you very much for letting us.
I'm so excited that my
do
bus
this.
is going to be used for this project for the Grateful Dead. That's awesome, man. I can't wait to see this.
That makes me happy.
That's so cool. I grew up in SoCal. I've had Volkswagens all my life. You can see I got them tattooed on me and stuff.
Nice.
I am a VW dude.
That's so
And
good.
I'm super excited to be part of this project as far as donating the bus. Nice.
Right on, man. Well,
Yeah,
thank
that is
you.
so cool.
It's Keyception. That's the bus within the bus.
Yeah, right. What does that say?
That's right. This thing's already set. This thing's already ready to go.
It was meant to be.
Awesome, man. Thank you very much. We'll do you proud.
Send me some pictures.
I will. I'll definitely send you updates as we're going through. So
I'm excited.
awesome, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You got it.
We'll catch you on the flip side. I know. Sad moment in time. After 18 hours or so of driving, I am back home in Albuquerque and ready to get started on this thing. But first, it's time to take some measurements so we know what we're working with, wrap-wise and interior-wise.